Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Once again I'm here with new recipe. So today I'm gonna show you is one different kind of sandwich. It's really very yummy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the grilled sandwich. It's really very easy at make at home with simple ingredient, not much difficult. It's really very easy. So guys, let's come. I will show you what ingredient we will use for this recipe. So come. So guys, for grilled sandwich I will be use the chicken. Here I got the chicken fillet is cut ready, is the very thin slice, because this one you have to grill in the pan. So here I got the boneless chicken breast piece and chicken fillet breast piece, and then here I got Thousand Island sauce. I will be used for this sauce I use in the sandwich. And then now I will be use the cheese also inside, the mozzarella cheese. You can use the cheese slice also. Here I got some tomatoes. Here I got some cucumber for filling this sandwich, and then here I got the lime. So we do the marinate the chicken first. Here I will be use the tomato ketchup also for this recipe. So here we start the marinate. So here I squeeze the bit lime juice, and then black pepper. So here I use the black pepper, coarse is half a teaspoon. My chicken is 120 gram. This is for 2 sandwiches. Okay, so now put the salt, bit of soya sauce, now this one we have to marinate for just only 5 minutes. Just put at a side for 5 minutes. After that just grill it. Just put properly everything, just marinate. So guys, here my chicken is marinate already. So now I put at a side. After that I will grill it. So guys, here I will be use this pan for grill my chicken. So my chicken is marinate already. You can see it's very tender already. So now I have to just only the grill only with the pan. So just I put a bit oil just for grease only. My pan is hot ready. So now I just put the chicken. Really, this grilled sandwich is very yummy. You must try this at home. Your children also will like this, and then very easy to make at home. Just grill it for a while. After that we will be used in the sandwich. You try to put your flame is medium, because this sandwich you have to cook the chicken from inside also, like very tender and then very nice, and then done ready. So because this one we need to do the chicken is well done. Need to chicken is well cooked. After that our sandwich will be very nice flavor wise, and then chicken also will be all the cook ready. So it's really very nice. You must try this sandwich at home. Also when cooking the sandwich, see its color is really very nice. Now we have to change the side. Other one also same like this. Really, it's very yummy chicken fillet grilled sandwich. It's really very easy to make at home, and then very yummy. In these days, got lockdown, so we have to do this one is this dishes is very easy to make at home. Sandwiches, and then some other kind of later I will show you another kind of sandwich also. So I will show you is very easy recipes you can make. Everyone can make easier at home. So guys, my chicken is here is grilling process. So now I show you. So I show you how can make another sandwich. So that one is also very easier to make at home. Chicken fried nugget sandwich. Really, it's also very yummy chicken fried nuggets. So I will give you the link on description, because in description I can mention the link. In my video I make the homemade nuggets also, chicken nuggets how can make. So you can make that nuggets and then you can make the sandwich. So I show you what ingredient we will use for the chicken nugget sandwich. So guys, for the chicken nugget sandwich I will be used for 4 pieces of chicken nuggets. This one I will be using my own nuggets. I will give the link on description, you can see there. Okay, so I will use this nuggets, bread, and then Thousand Island sauce, cheese, tomato, and then cucumber. It's really also very easy to make at home. For this sandwich just only I fried the nuggets already. So now I have the bread slice. I just put the Thousand Island sauce at the base. Just put the Thousand Island sauce like this, and then we have the cucumber here. Put some cucumber, and 1 piece of tomato, and then nuggets like this. It's really very yummy flavor wise. Now we can put some cheese, and then another piece of slice also. Just put the Thousand Island sauce. So guys, here you can see our fried chicken nuggets sandwich is ready. Really it's very easy to make at home. You can see all the side is really very nice, and then very good sandwich, and very quickly you can make at home. Just only put some sauces. If you don't have Thousand Island sauce, you can put the mayonnaise, and then tomato ketchup also you can use for this sandwich. In my next video I will definitely show you how to make the Thousand Island sauce at home. Really it's also very easy, just within minutes. So okay, I will try to give you in further my new video. I will show you how to make some salad dressings. So this one is Thousand Island sauce is also very yummy, and then very good salad dressing. Everybody can use, and then everybody like this. So guys, look at this. Really it's very good, and then very tender, really very nice. All the chicken is done ready. So now we have to use this chicken with the sandwich. So okay, we start to. So guys, here also I will be use the Thousand Island sauce. Actually I like too much Thousand Island sauce, that's why I'm using Thousand Island sauce. All this, it's really flavor wise also very nice. You must try this. I will show you my next video how to make the Thousand Island sauce. Okay, so just only we use this Thousand Island sauce. After that we have to use the chicken. Our chicken is grilled ready. So our grilled chicken, just put like this. And then here I have some tomato I cut ready. So here I will use the tomato. Cucumber, cheese, and then another piece also take, and then you can use the Thousand Island sauce. Okay. Here first of all we need to put some tomato ketchup. Its flavor will be nice, and then can cover this, and then we have to toast a bit this one also. So can use the pan for toasting. This one actually we have to toast only for a while, just only for 1 minute, just only for the crispiness. And then also we put the cheese also will be melt, and then flavor will be very nice. Like this we have to change the side also. Okay, you can see our sandwich is turned ready. Now we have to cut and serve. So now guys, I have to cut my sandwich. You can see my sandwich is cut ready. It's really very nice. You can see from inside also. This is the grilled chicken grilled sandwich. Really, it's very nice. So now guys, you can see our grilled sandwich is ready. You must try this one and then give me the feedback also. So guys, here you can see this is my fried chicken nugget sandwich. Is really very easy. And then here I got the grilled chicken sandwich. Both of sandwich is my ready. You must try this one. Is really very easy to make at home. So I will show you the next video also different kind of dips. So guys, today I show you already is two kind of sandwich. Really it's very easy to make at home. So please encourage me and then subscribe my channel, so like that you can see my all video. So thank you so much. Take care yourself, take care of family. I see you next time.